And yo, it's such a shame, all these dick riders trying to corrupt the game. But what it bring? Nothing but pain and one in your fucking brain. Ain't nothing changed since the album. I'm still wildin', I'm still violent. I've been waiting for this moment like Phil Collins. For all my life, I've been trifling and strife, hyper than hype, inviting the finest sight. Tonight is the night, and I ain't even trying to let a nigga slide. I've been dying to get a guy to dare to try, now prepare to die. I rush your crib like a Jehovah's Witness, load up and explode your infant. Hold up, did you notice my heroic interest? I'm so relentless in this field of rap. Everything is real in fact, fully backed by bullies who be peeling caps. I'll sack a rapper like a linebacker, play my rhyme backwards. You can hear the devil speak his mind with fine graphics. Things get drastic, I thrust for my plastic. I pack lips between my nuts and my fat dick.
Grab a hold cause you never heard her. Verbal murder like this, cash comes before soul, so watch your shit. Every cat wanna be enormous, plotting on the next one. Murder one. Grab a hold cause you never heard her. Verbal murder like this, cash comes before soul, so watch your shit. Every cat wanna be enormous, plotting on the next one.
Yo, we just begun the story. Compound and Nori, look to the sun for glory as time runs before me. I'm after the day of judgment, I stood before the jury, explaining why I was in a gun orgy. He was fucking with me. I ain't no ducking MC, with the knowledge is a little thug blood in me. And stud bumped into me, beef it was finna be. My appetite for destruction is finicky. He was an industry type, influenced by magazines and snipes. Rocked Adidas, but he had no stripes. I could tell in high school that he had no fights. Hold dick better than he hold mics. He spiked his punchlines with current events. Called for backup like one time when he heard it was sense. That deliver words with intent to kill, whether the hip-hop type, country rapper, or Big Will. I peeled some raps back, then peeled his cap back. Fucker thought I was abstract, now his life is backtracked. In the center of the party, his crew identified the body, left him signing the wait list, saying, I can't take this fake shit.
Play for keeps, you don't get it back. Don't try to link me with them niggas, this a different batch. I'm way further from where that fruit fell. OG with it, but my name ringing new bells. So let this new day dawn on you. All my niggas killers, you be dead before it dawn on you. Foot on your neck, plus a strong arm on you. Shaky as a leaf, ain't a met out there that can calm me. I'm about my money and my kinfolk. Interfere with that and get a rib poke. Toe tagged out in Pottersville and any other loudmouth trying to get your spot filled. That's the math that we doing now. Stay connected, my logo should be a unibrow. Move a crowd forever screaming out infamous. Tried to go vegan but the beef not feeling it. Hit my sons on the boomerang, had me trapped off, dead at that when my shooters came. Never trust a bitch, if I do, she's my super main chick, not with a nigga for the Uber fame. We not did it for the money though, but we been getting money though. Everywhere we drive, yeah, that's butter though. I got a fall winter, spring, and some summer hoes. We not in it for the pussy though, but we been getting pussy though. I see you niggas looking pussy though. We just doing us, don't take it personal. This is B.I.Z. I just spit it how I live it in the things I seen. They wanna talk behind my back, but I'm the all I seen. Yeah, I love to make that paper, that's not all I fiend. All eyes on Queens, you a halfway crook, and I'm higher than the kite, look how my ashtray look. Jars of the Girl Scout, not the kind you cook. Got me zoning to the beat, fuck the rhymes and hook. Never in my feelings, hard polar, ice cold. Charged me with a body, took the trial, dice rolled. Football numbers, but my slimes don't fold. I've been through the fire, came through it all gold. So from the ashes I rose. Better than I started, MOB, we still mobbing. She tried to sneak backstage, but her ass and titties so big, had to give a Dolly Park. We not did it for the money though, but we been getting money though. Everywhere we drive, yeah, that's butter though. I got a fall winter, spring, and some summer hoes. We not in it for the pussy though, but we been getting pussy though. I see you niggas looking pussy though. We just doing this, don't take it personal.
Shots echo in the ghetto. We try to keep it mellow, but you gotta keep that metal in a safe, tuck place. A spade is a spade. If a joker come up out of his face, here comes the ace. Murder at the dance hall, plum, plum, plum. You better have a fast draw if you got that glass jaw. Why these young niggas wildin'? It seems like living in the city is like living on an island. It's hot.
Come visit me, it's real. I rakish, had to wield my ratchet just to build my racket. These youngsters ain't axing, they running up and they clacking. Assassins gassing, how you gas before your last one on some. When the dough get low and so, gun hand jumping, better hope it don't. How you bent like Gumby with your pokey gone, and an enormous hole from the 44 or the fever.
Rap raw, been thuggin', sawed off shoddy, hacksaw Jim Duggins. The Remington, 1187 in the Pennington, 50 cal long, can't fit him in the minivan. I hit him from outside of the city span, quicker than any man. It's a showdown, I knew he wouldn't come either. I ain't a gangster, got gun fever.
I'll show you the proper procedure to meet the reaper. We the feature, the fans filling up the bleachers. They wanna be witnesses to the killing of you creatures. I light them up like George and Kiefer with my reefer. This is gun sex and I'm a skeeter, not a leaker. Soon as I put my heater, I'm your leader. Either you eager to bleed or we gon' see if you a bleeder.
Gun fever will leave you running cheater. Your tongue keep weaving and I'll leave your lungs bleeding. Needing some stitches, the cops need descriptions, depictions of the crime scene, asking who did it. Seeing this vicious cycle in my vision keeps me suspicious